sniff some of that.
Good morning, y'all. What time is it, people?
It's time to go and look some. Thank you, Jesus, for another day.
Oh my God.
It was a great time.
Oh my God. Yes, guys. We're here for the early morning peace. Yeah. Good morning. Oh, no, that's blasting it. Good morning. Morning. No one of your answer in the vlog.
Oh, morning.
Sheesh. Y'all just cha. Oh, lovely, lovely stuff. Feels so nice. And the water. The beach is big enough, you told me. The beach big enough, you told me. Guys, this was a really great start to this beautiful morning. It was kind of our first time, other than going to hotels, going to a morning beach, and I think this was really lovely. Good morning. It is Sunday. We're just coming out of church. We're at St. Anne's Bay Baptist Church. I think it's my first time. I don't remember coming here before. So, yeah. How is your day, Toby?
It is blessed.
It is blessed. Okay. Imagine, Shani, socialize, you know, and you talk about the boy take picture.
Yeah.
So anti-social. Lord Jesus, the Maguele way. Anyways, bye guys. So that's St. Anne's Bay Town. Yeah. We're here again. One last time.
It was actually open, yeah.
Guys, there's a sakura down at the, what do you call that place here? I don't remember, but there's a sakura down here and it actually open. But you think you like what you open? Back to Starbucks. Yeah. And we have nuts for the same place, nuts for the express day. Right along that stretch. We're back in Starbucks. You order what we order? Michael or Michelle?
Because you have.
Me love you, me don't know one thing, I did love you. So hopefully they make it just like how it's when the Kingston make it. You know? So hopefully they make it just like how the ones in Kingston made it.
Oh, I didn't do regular ones. and fish are good because you're good.
How it taste? Sweet?
Like ice cream. I need coffee. Actually, I think they pay them well. I think they pay them well at the Starbucks.
Morning, guys. So we're having breakfast. It is Monday, and we're having some mac and cheese, some bacon. I had my toaster strudels, my socially. I had toaster strudel. So we chef over there, so you know. Chef F. Hi, chef.
Chef Rollet.
Chef Rollet. Okay, hi, Chef Rollet. Hi, Shan. Hi. So yeah.
Alright guys, so right now we are on our way to Trelawny. Today was actually my uncle's grave digging. So we were just going down, you know, just to say hi, see what's happening, and then head home. So enjoy the views.
People, I forgot if you all start the vlog, but anyways. Carry come show the river. My girl decides she have to touch her foot. I'm gonna say she drop. I'm gonna just not stand up there. Look at that. So let's go. Nobody go so far though. Good morning. Morning, guys. It is Wednesday. It's Wednesday, July, I think 20 or somewhere there about 2021, I remember on the screen. So it's just not a fussy morning, just one regular morning. This is quite a just that I haven't vlogged since, was it Sunday? Yeah, I think Sunday. So having some coffee right now. And I'm cooking breakfast. We're cooking chicken burger. Yeah. So I got the chicken burgers here. Oops, I'm burning them. Actually, it's not me burning them. I'm gonna understand, you know, them are burning now. I thought I didn't know done it. This pot though. And it's all the way turned down, so I don't know. Yeah. So we're having chicken burgers today. So guys, what do I have planned for today? Don't mind this. Guys don't know what's under here. So I pulled up my hair last night. Let's have a coffee talk. So I pulled up my hair last night because of the trip and whatever, it got wet and it was scratching, it needed to wash, and I'm like, my hair needs to actually pull out and wash properly for, you know, things to come out. So I pulled it out last night. So today I'm gonna have to wash my hair, and I want to do the elastic method for my hair. So I'm gonna try that today. Well, I've done it before, so I'm not really sure. I'm gonna do that today. After I wash the hair and all that. So it's that kind of vlog, just a random kind of vlog. So how have you guys been doing? I haven't really had this kind of talk with you guys in a while. So what going up to? Oh, morning. Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, hey, I am Shake. I do vlogs, lifestyle, beauty videos. So if you're interested, go ahead, hit that little subscribe button that's down there. You know, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you're notified whenever I make a video. Sorry about that. We got to start with vlog. But anyways, did quite a lot yesterday. Came because we weren't here, and we had to leave in such rush. There were a lot of things that we did not get to do. Ended up having to come home and clean the freezer because there was something going on in it. Well, sound did not make, so I had to plug it out. Then when I plug out, I realized everything melts, so I might as well clean it. So I ended up cleaning the freezer yesterday, and then my room as well, because my room, I didn't get to clean my room before I left. thoroughly. So I cleaned it thoroughly yesterday and all. So yeah, all of that was done yesterday. I was actually packing out these plates. I packed out the plates, I have the pots left. So I'm gonna do that while I wait for that to finish and all of that. So yeah, let's get into the rest of this vlog. Yeah, we'll probably have a talk later, you know. Yeah. Guys, so you know I said I was gonna wash and do my hair. I forgot to show you guys all of that. So hey, I braid about my hair, but this time it's bigger. But anyways, my sister cut. Oh yeah.
But got my nice clean, which is
the lighting and this just terrible. Anyways, let me show you what's for dinner. So we got this girl is gone with my things. We got some stew chicken, and for us it's rice, but for daddy it's like dumpling and banana. Yeah, so yeah, dinner time, people. It's dinner time.
Alright guys, so it's Thursday and we are heading back to Trelawny. We're actually in a taxi because we had to go down before dad. So we are in taxi en route to Trelawny because the dead yard is Friday and then the funeral will be Saturday. So we went down Thursday just to be there, you know, early and all. So yeah. Guys, I'm in Christiana and that car, I fell in love with that car. It is blue and it's so cute. The buggy car then, guys, I love them. It's just cute.
Hi.
Please, thank you.
Maybe they are when I handy.
Let me see what the shirt said. And she don't start drinking alcohol yet.